They are extremely innocent. Anything which you say is literal for them. They don't understand sarcasm. They don't understand telling lies or being mean to somebody or jealousy or cheating anybody. They have absolutely no clue. They are pure innocent souls. If you throw a sarcastic comment to a child, he may not be able to understand the underlying meaning. He will just take whatever word you use to address them. So that is one beauty of their nature that totally makes us feel proud of them. Whatever the normal world would be like, my children are pure innocent souls. They will never ever make fun of any other child. They will never bully any other child. They will never cheat or lie because they do not know the meaning of doing that. If they do something bad, they'll come and tell us as innocently as they would to get praise also.
The unconditional love that they offer is something which keeps me as a mother going every day. They are free from lot of worldly vices, like hatred, jealousy, being judgmental with others. They are just pure souls. So their nature, their heart, their love keeps me driving every day. And the strong faith that I have in God and Sunrise program with Dr. Sonali keeps me driving every day that yes, there is a silver lining that I see. There is going to be a change, and one day my son would be famous, would be accepted by the society, and they will accept him, they will realize his true talent.
When he says Ma, when he says Papa, when he says Ka de do, he feels like heaven.
It's been a wonderful journey.
The best doctors, the best therapists can't do what love and acceptance can do for the children.